If your Citi Mobile broke after an update, a clean reset usually fixes it. So let's fix it. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Citi Mobile app and swipe it away. This first closes the app and then reopen it, and it also fixes the temporary glitches. On Android, clear your cache. On iPhone, open store settings, go to iPhone storage, scroll down, find the app you're looking for and then click offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Offloading your app will reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, reinstall your Citi app by long press on the Citi app icon and then remove app, then delete it. To reinstall, open your app store and then reinstall it from the official app store only. Then log in again and then recheck your security settings. Tip: turn on auto updates. Citi often patches bugs weekly, and that's it.